have Stein in Manhattan by a big building off an 18th floor. Let me say you can say on the 18th floor can full Chevre. A rehearsal for a big concert coming down by Yochi Briskman Sunday night. This Sunday night, and now they're doing a big rehearsal. What looks the shimmy?
Hey, what's happening?
Kim the gross rehearsal up this?
Oh, big time. Kim the gross show.
Sunday night.
Just a prep. Yeah.
You up there already?
I was up there and made sure everyone else is beside her.
Okay.
Now moving on to the next location.
All right, so let's go up there. Let's check out Yochi and the band. Okay, we let me down check and do 307 West 36. Oh. Was even stuck. Wow, the top floor. Ati. Smash Studios. I'm saying.
Break, end. Thank you. Don't forget to come back.
Wow, what a set Ofer. Wow. How are you running a production while rockets are falling in? It's not nerve-wracking?
No, not now.
Not now? No rockets now?
No, we had.
You had already
In
rockets.
the middle of the rest, you saw?
I saw rockets came in
How
the
the
middle.
reality
Unreal.
joined together with the music.
Wow.
Crazy.
Unreal. Yitzhak, did you come finish the Saal?
Ja.
Wow, finish Saal Yitzhak, special for the concert.
Ja, richtig.
Wow, what's the energy? What's feels to do?
Wow, amazing. Wow.
Mamish. Wow. Okay, Yitzhak. We'll see you Sunday night.
Thank you.
All right. Okay, lass mal ganz Saal a minute. Lass mal hier was Saal hat zu sagen. Wow. There was the energy when you sang. Take the mic a minute, Saal.
Whoa, I like this. No.
You like it? You want to sing on that?
No.
Let me.
Yes.
Oh, it's gonna break my camera.
The mic is it's a bad mic. It ruins my voice.
What's up? What do you say? What's the energy? What's the matzu?
Wow, looking at this. It's unbelievable.
I think it's the nest. How many guys fit into this
You're
room?
not seeing these people. Well, you see the cheers. Yeah.
Yeah. So we got some videos when they were here.
Okay.
50 guys here.
Geweldige energy. Well, we're gonna have a show.
Sunday night.
First of its kind.
All right, and especially that the money
for
goes
the repertoire alone. So what a repertoire! What a lineup we have.
A lineup.
It's unbelievable.
Unbelievable. All right, and the money goes to Tzedakah, Misaskim, right?
Yes.
Special stuff. All right. Thank you, Saal. See you Sunday night. Okay, Ofer is busy with Yochi. They're planning some big stuff. Wow. Look at the oil and the energy. Wow, Ofer. What's that stick about over here? What's that? Mazeh? This is what the Rebbe smacked the kids.
Without this stick, they cannot play. Even Kantoria, they cannot move without the stick. It's so important. And I invite everybody to come to the concert. It's going to be a terrific concert, something you don't see every day here. It reminds me of all the great big concerts that we do in Israel, 4 times a year, but it's going to be a great concert, great artists, Nissim, Saal, Zanvil, Zelman, Cheskel,
Wow,
great
wow.
musicians, 50 musicians, great choir, and we are all waiting for you.
I heard there are only a
Sunday.
few tickets left, right?
Few tickets left.
So whoever gets it, gets it.
Yep. So see you all
Yeah,
Sunday.
we'll see you.
Don't be late.
Don't be late. Something beautiful coming. Check it on Sunday night. A few tickets left. We'll put the link to buy the tickets. And then I say the best of all, the tzedakah, the money goes to the Misaskim.
Right.